Test, test. Hello my art friends. Welcome to another easy drawing tutorial by Apatche Revealed. Today we're going to learn to draw an octopus. So all you're going to need in this lesson are some pencils, a rubber, some coloured markers or some coloured pencils, and of course some paper. So the first thing what we need to do with our drawing is we're going to start off with just drawing an egg like for the head. Now obviously you can use your pencils to rub out the areas for the legs. Of course I'm going to be using a little pen here just so I can show it up on the video. So all we need to do first is draw a round circle for the egg, and all we need to do is go like so. You can continue going down around if you want to continue, but I'm going to be drawing some legs here. After that, it is pretty much simple. We're just going to be drawing the legs. So it's just a couple of worms, like 6 little worms. I know octopuses have 8, but that's in the background here. I'm just going to be drawing 6. So all we need to do is go around top like this, go down, and a little wiggly worm, however you like, roll it back and do the process again like so. That's one leg done, and we just got to do it again. Come around like this, little loops, up, down, and through like so, and wiggle it back. And then again for another part of the leg. You can do them wherever you want to do them or however you want to shape them. But it's very simple. This is just a very easy octopus. Very easy drawing tonight. And down, around, up and down. Even behind the legs, up like this. Voila. And then again, on this side, we want to make it even. We just go up and around, down, roll. And that, and then the last one, but not least, the top one over here like so. Alright, there's your octopus with the tentacle legs. Now all we need to do is his face and a couple of eyes. So again, just a round circle, another round circle, and a big smiley face like that. Obviously I'm going to put some pupils in this guy. So a semicircle in the middle like so, and colour in. And we do the other side. Semicircle in the middle and colour in. But then I'm going to make him a little bit 3D, symmetrical. So if you're looking straight down like this, it's just going to look flat. We want to curve him to make him like he's grabbing something. So you can see when I'm curving, you see the under part of my arm. So what we want to do is just draw some lines here, but I'm going to go a little bit further and I'm going to put the suckers on them. So we just put a couple of circles under the underbelly like so. Wherever the underbelly or the curve is. You don't have to just do 3, you can do 5, 6, doesn't matter. I'm just doing 3 because that's how much of the curve I've got. Just like so. Just to give him that bit of a 3D effect. And all I need to do is line that up with a bit of a curve. So around like this. And down. And then back up again for this one. Like so. And then again for all the legs. And then I would do some in the middle as well, under the belly here. Just so, because octopus is very tentacle everywhere. Like that. Very simple, isn't he? And all we need to do now is fast colour. How'd you go? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and catch my next lesson and keep up to date all of my videos. If you have Facebook or Instagram, come follow me on my pages for all my ventures. Links are down below. See you at the next lesson. Happy drawing.